Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to add a new description to your WhatsApp group. Whether you're updating group details or setting the tone for new members, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the group for which you'd like to add or update the description. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to access the group settings. Next, scroll down slightly until you see the option labeled Add Group Description just below the group name. Tap on it. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in your new description. This is where you can add details about the group's purpose, guidelines, or any other important information. After typing in your desired description, review it to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, tap OK to save your changes. And that's it. Your new group description is now live and visible to all members of the group, as well as anyone invited to join. Adding a group description is a great way to keep your members informed and aligned with the purpose of your group. It's especially helpful for event planning, work collaborations, or even casual friend groups. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.